What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on MDT, Measurable Data Token, which has been pumping consistently over the last 3 days, as you guys can see here, and in the last 24 hours itself it has pumped up just under 25% and currently valued at just under 7 cents. So we're going to be looking at how high can this crypto pump up to. Can it potentially hit 10 cents over the coming days or even in the coming hours, and also looking at, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Have we missed a boat? Or on the other hand, if you're looking to sell it, is now the right time to sell it and take out your profits, or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of MDT, which is here in purple at just over 5 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at just under 7 cents, meaning it's performing very well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from MDT over the next 12 to 14 hours. As you guys can see, it's already started to drop a little bit. Red candlesticks over the last 2 to 3 hours. It is likely to carry on this way, potentially dropping just below 0.065 is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So somewhere above 6 cents and 0.065 cents, somewhere in between that price range is where MDT should be trading at by midday tomorrow. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, we should see a slight drop in value, but nothing too crazy or major. So yes guys, do expect an overall drop. However, in between that time, over the next couple of hours, it is likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, potentially getting close to the 8 cents target before it slowly starts to drop back down in the early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We're looking a little bit more skeptical here. The blue line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from MDT over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by the end of next week, MDT should be trading around the 7 cents target is what is expected, and that is also what I'm expecting as well. In between that time, of course, it's going to hit green days and red days. It's going to be quite volatile up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be neutral. So yes guys, MDT should be hovering around the 7 cents target by the end of next week is what my expectations are at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking very bullish, going in a positive direction, but that doesn't mean that it's going to keep pumping over the next 6 to 8 weeks. In fact, this is not realistic because it is looking way too steep, because it's basing it off the last 3 days. It's pumped up so much and it thinks that it's going to keep going that way, it's going to keep pumping and so on. However, that is not the case. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, so mid to late January 2024, I'm expecting MDT to be trading around the 10 cents target. It may seem like a major increase, however it's not, because we're giving it about approximately 2 months guys. In between that time, what it should do is drop back down to around 5 cents over the coming weeks, and then slowly start to gain value, hitting around 10 cents by mid to late January is what I'm expecting, and that should happen if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side, as I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be hitting over $42,000 by early next year. And again, I know the Bitcoin halving is coming up in April 2024 as well, which should have an impact on Bitcoin, which should have an impact on the crypto market, but I will keep you guys updated on that. And of course, those of you guys who are already part of my Telegram group chat will already know, but if you're not, if you guys want to be part of the Telegram group chat, the link to my group chat is in the description box down below. What happens once you sign up is you get put into two group chats. The first one is just a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, mainly Bitcoin, because most cryptos follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin, and you guys can ask questions, analysis and predictions on other cryptocurrencies, which I will also provide in that chat as well. And the other group chat is where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. However, I am not a short-term trader, meaning I don't buy and sell on a regular basis. I get in at a good price and I sell at a good price as well. So yeah, for these two group chats, use the link in the description box down below to sign up. It is currently on offer, 50% off, guys. It is Black Friday, it is December, it is Christmas around the corner, so 50% off. Again, using discount code DEC10, it is $14.99 at the moment, with the discount included, usually $29.99. However, this is for a limited time only and a limited number of members, so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. And now back to MDT. So as I mentioned, the next 2 months approximately, we should be hitting around the 10 cents target. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. This is quite interesting, guys. As you guys can see, we have finally broken out from the red zone and currently trading in the green zone. However, what is bound to happen is for the crypto to drop back down into the red zone, down to around 5 cents, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, over the coming 2 to 3 weeks, before it slowly starts to gain value up to around the 10 cents target in January is what I'm expecting. As you guys can see, last time it did hit the resistance target, it literally dropped back down into the red zone, but this time it didn't even resist. It literally just straight away broke down into the green zone, which means more than likely it is going to crash back down into the red zone before it slowly starts to gain back value, going into the green zone and potentially hitting the blue zone in early next year as well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up nearly 700%, making it $57 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading volume, as it is one of the top gainers. It's getting a lot of attention right now, a lot of hype around it from both buyers and sellers point of view. So what I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below your predictions on MDT. What is the highest figure you guys are predicting this crypto to hit in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.